कमिटी पूर्वतन सदस्य तथा माननीय पूर्वतन निवेदन कर आम गहन अच्छा पुरी जिला परिषद पूर्वतन सभा नेत्री तथा सभा दल वरिष्ठ कर्मी माननीय मंजू महांती को संबर्धित करेंगे। माननीय मीडिया सेल
Seva Dal organization was established in the Congress to serve the people of this country, and at the time of the freedom movement, Seva Dal played a major role. When Jawaharlal Nehru was the Congress president, that time only this Seva Dal organization was established. When the Mahatma Gandhi announced a civilian disobedience movement in 1931, Seva Dal played a very big role for the success of the disobedience movement. You can see from after the effect of that, in 1934, when the British colonial rule, they have lifted the ban and put an end to this disobedience movement, but they have not stopped in taking action against the Seva Dal. They have continued the ban on the Seva Dal. So that much Seva Dal is an organization which has contributed much to the freedom of this country. And today, now, almost it is going to be nearing to the century. So in 1923, December 28th, that time is the first, this plan was molded out, and then our Dr. Narayan Subbarao Hadikar was the first founding president of that. But actually, originally it was launched in the January 1st on 1924. And this today, the country needs to safeguard the secular fabric of this backbone of the nation. Today, the ruling government, they are trying to break the backbone of the country's secular fabric. So that is the reason today Seva Dal took the initiation in Orissa, covering all the religious faith. So we are respected everywhere. Hinduism, Christianism, Muslimism, Buddhism, or whatever they say, Sikhism, all. We have covered all the spiritual places, and this is a yatra for the peace of this state of this.
Sir, what would you like to say about OBC politics, which is going to be fight a Lowland Panchayat and OBC seat from Panchayat election? What is your stand on it?
First of all, the BJD has to come out very clearly, categorically, whether they are supporting the BJP to spoil the reservation which was enacted by the Congress government in this nation. Because BJP's intention, very clearly their intention is to take away the reservation policy from this country. Whether it is a scheduled caste reservation or scheduled tribe reservation or the OBC reservation. Their one-point agenda, by slowly, step by step, they are trying to abolish this reservation policy. When the BJD is supporting the BJP in the central, whenever they want to bring any